Hello, I'm Jordan from Turner Hastings, and in this video I'm going to explain how to replace a faulty pop-up waste mechanism. So this is the pop-up waste, and from time to time, after years of use, the mechanism on the inside can stop popping. It can become stuck. Now, in this situation, our ones have a 12-month warranty, so if it's within the terms, we can replace it. We can send out a free replacement, but if it is after 12 months, a replacement would need to be purchased. So, how to replace this mechanism? All you'll need is a pair of multi-grips or pliers or a small shifter. So, firstly, what you do is you unscrew the chrome head. Now, don't use the pliers for this. This can be done by hand. So just to unscrew the head only by itself. Sometimes when unscrewing the head, the brass mechanism will come out too. However, sometimes you unscrew the head and the brass mechanism, so I've unscrewed the head, the brass mechanism remains in place. Sometimes that mechanism's in there very tight, so you simply use the shifter or the multi-grips and just unscrew it so it's loose, then pull it out. Now, this here, for example, is the broken one. Now compare the new replacement you have is exactly the same model. So this one here has got thread, the same length of thread, even though it's got a different number of threads. It should work. It's the same length before that part there. Then it's both got the same open head on it. So now I'll discard the broken one. This is the new one. This can simply be installed by hand. No need for any tools. So screw in the new one. Just do that by hand, and the top. Tighten that up so it's tight, and then it should successfully pop up and down. Our replacement mechanisms have a 12-month warranty on them as well. Thank you for watching.